Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Just Be with Mahesh. Today I'd like to share some GCP implementation tips. Basically, like once you finish a certification, any of the certification is fine, cloud architect, data engineer, whatever the certification which suits you. Once you have finished it, the next thing is if this certification which you are planning is basically for a career upgrade, definitely you would need to have implementation skills, right? So there are many folks who have reached out to me asking like, is there any tips? How do I enhance my implementation skills? So the simple answer is the step two, which I'm going to explain in this video. Let's get started. So assuming you completed your certification and you come up with flying colors, you cleared it in one shot. What's next? The next part is basically you have to possess some implementation skills. And in 2019 itself, I had created a small video where had shared my own experience, like how you can enhance your hands-on experience there. So, which was basically referring to a GitHub page from Google Professional Service, where there are some good amount of implementations already made available. You can try to implement them. So that is something which is still holds good. So some of the articles may be slightly old, but it's worth trying those stuffs. And one of my favorite one in this is something called as IoT Nirvana. So if I just go here, the architecture is awesome, mind blowing. So if I just search for this one, awesome. So many components are there. So try leveraging this. And similarly, if it's not from the infrastructure perspective, but if you're looking for something more from data processing perspective, there are something on data flow, data proc, leverage those things. So that's the first tip which I wanted to share. And the second tip which I wanted to share basically is that's one good. Now, for cloud architects, once you have finished your certification and you want to enhance your implementation skills, I would say definitely the case studies which Google provides. So if you just go to the case study, there are three case studies, as most of us know: Monkey Games, Theorem, Earth, Dress for Win. So look into those case studies and do an implementation by yourself. So either with your free trial account or whatever the kind of account which you have, GCP account, try implementing it. And it's not just for the sake of saying or just for the sake of creating a video. I myself have tried it. And if you just go to my YouTube channel and search for Mini, you should get those three mini projects which I have tried. So it was just an attempt. So Terramoth, Dress for Win, Mounted Games. So Dress for Win have two versions of it. So look into it. It could be a starter, I would say. So that way you will come to know how really to implement something. So that's one thing. So the way I think is usually whenever I see any case studies which comes in Google Cloud, I take it as my implementation projects. So that's one thing. And the good news is there is a beta version of Cloud Architect stuff which is available. And the most important thing in that thing is if I just go down to my beta exams, sorry, if I go to my beta exam, there are few more case studies made available. So how do I go there? So 1 minute. Case studies, yeah, this one. So some EHR healthcare. So this is another case study. Leverage it, go look into it, and there's no right or wrong answer, I would say. This is as per your understanding, try to implement it and see how much you are able to achieve it. So helicopter racing league. So Mount Games and Theorem is still there, Theorem is there, but they have slightly modified it. Now we know in reality customers requirement keeps changing, so maybe you can treat this the first version in the generally available case study as your first version of Mountain Games and see what is a modified version here and try to accommodate the change request. That way you'll get really a real exposure of how do you implement it from end to end. Now you are the cloud architect, you gather the requirements is already mentioned there, you convert that requirement into a technical spec, and you are the person who are going to implement it. So a real fit for a cloud architect, gathering the requirements, converting into a technical mapping of it, and also maybe doing a proof of concept. So this is a good one. And this is not only that, and there are few older case studies which Cloud Architect had. So if you just search for Genko Mart uh, Mart GCP, somewhere it may be there. So if you just look into this one, some archived materials may be there. Look into it. Try implementing this. So maybe it's an outdated one, no problem. But the thing is that how you're, and these are all requirements. So you already have now 6 to 7 information. So case studies, leverage it. And I guess even professional cloud developer has a case study if I'm not wrong. So see every case study, treat every case study as a customer requirement and try to implement it. By doing this, definitely your implementation skills is going to get enhanced to a greater level. So that's the video which I wanted to share today, folks. The simple highlight is, or the key is, any case study which you see, just go try implementing that in GCP. That's the way you are going to improve your GCP implementation skills. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.